Hey YouTube, today a video on remote transmission oil filter kit. This one is a D-Rail Performance. I don't know if I pronounce it. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, as you can see, I removed the filter and the air intake, mass airflow and everything. Now I'm going to remove this hose. I'm going to take this and going into the oil filter, and out will go into that hose after. So I need to remove this clip here. Need a pick. Don't lose it. Just pull on the hose. That's it. Now, what I'm going to need to do is to drill some holes here to install this right there. So you're not going to see a lot, but that's what I'm going to do. Okay, finally screwed the filter adapter under the airbox. It was a pain. I've used the hair ratchet with box and self-tapping screws. It's the only way I could do it. So now I'll continue with the two fittings. I'll do the hose, put the filter, and it will be done. Okay, so this is going in the inlet. So about here should be enough. Putting oil on the fitting. Yeah, some will probably complain about the placement, and some will use the hose at the bottom that goes straight to the tranny, but this is going into the tranny cooler, if I'm right. But anyway, basically the point is to filter the transmission oil, and now the out going to here. Okay. Okay, I'll make a pause and come back when finished. Okay, so the hose that I removed here is here, so it's going out from the rod, going into the inlet and going out where it was going out in this hose. It was going out here and going to that hose, so now it's bypassing in the filter, and there you go. Now you have a remote oil transmission oil filter. So I'll finish the job and check everything if there's a leak. Okay, before screwing the oil filter, just put some oil, tranny oil, on the gasket before screwing it. So maybe I'll put some oil into the filter and screw it in and check for leaks. Okay, I'm all done. Everything looks nice. Put a couple tie wraps to hold the hoses. Now just need to start the truck and watch for leaks. Okay, so there is no leak. So if you want to put a remote transmission oil filter, Silverado Sierra, that's a nice spot right there. If you like what you saw, give a thumbs up, leave a comment, maybe you can share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.